How to fix PS5 controller orange light issue. If you're experiencing the orange light issue on your PS5 controller, you're not alone. The orange light can indicate a few different problems, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the orange light on the PS5 controller. You might notice the light turning orange when you're charging the controller or when it's not responding properly. This can happen due to various reasons, but we've got a few solutions for you. So let's go over how you can fix this issue in a few easy steps. One of the most common reasons for the orange light is a charging issue. So let's start by making sure your controller is properly charged. First, double check your charging cable. If it's damaged or not working properly, it may cause the controller to show an orange light indicating it's charging but unable to charge fully. Try using a different USB cable or plug the controller into a different USB port on the PS5. If the orange light goes away and the controller starts charging normally, the issue was likely with the cable or port. If the charging isn't the problem and your controller still has the orange light, try resetting the controller. To reset the controller, you'll need to use a paper clip or any small object. Turn the controller over and find the smallest reset button near the L2 shoulder button. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. Once done, try turning the controller back on by pressing the PS button in the center. This can help solve any minor glitches that may be causing the orange light issues. And that's how you can fix the PS5 controller orange light issue.